In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a badge in Gohighlevel. We'll be working inside the memberships area, specifically in the credentials section where badge creation is handled. This process is straightforward, and once you know where everything is, it only takes a few clicks to get started. First, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard for the location or account where you want to create the badge. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where your main navigation menu lives, and it's where you'll access the tool you need. From that left side menu, click on Memberships. This section is where you manage learning content, member access, and related assets, including credentials like badges and certificates. After you open Memberships, move your attention to the top menu. There, click on Credentials. This area is specifically designed for creating and managing recognition items that can be awarded within your membership experience. If you're creating badges for course completion, milestones, or achievements, this is the right place. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on Create. This will open the available creation options. From those options, choose Create Badge. That tells Gohighlevel that you want to build a badge rather than another type of credential. You'll then be prompted to select from templates and continue by clicking Create. Templates are useful because they give you a head start with a pre-designed layout, which can save time and make the badge look more polished right away. Take a moment here to review the available designs so you can pick one that best fits your brand or the purpose of the badge. Once you're looking at the template choices, choose a badge template that matches the style you want. After selecting it, click Create again to confirm your choice and open the editor. At this point, your badge has been created and you can now start customizing it. This is where you'll make the badge your own by adjusting the design to suit your course, community, or program. A good tip here is to keep the badge visually clear and easy to recognize, especially if it will be displayed inside a member area or shared externally. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to the badge builder, selected a template, and opened the customization area in Gohighlevel. Once you're comfortable with this workflow, creating additional badges becomes much faster and more consistent.